Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Please raise your hands. All of you, please. All of you, please. Recalcitrante. It's a word meaning that you do the same thing again and again and again with no reason or whatever. I'm not going to raise my hand because you told me to do so. Childish. How do you say in Spanish? Childish. Okay. Raise your hand. Thank you very much. They tell me from administration here to do my work. They tell me what to do. The same way I tell you what to do. They pay me. If I do what they told me to do, that's life. They pay you if you do what they told you to do. I'm going to give you money to do this. I do that. I don't mind. This is not the way I teach, but here, this is the way I'm supposed to teach. So they tell me that when people don't pay attention to something, I have to reteach things. Do the same thing again. Okay? I'm doing it. Because they told me to do it. First, class rules. Please do your seat. Things are alright. Be respectful. Alright, we're here to learn. Please, the phone's in the backpack. In Spain, we're not so reteaching people. If I tell you once to put the phone on your backpack, and you don't put your phone on the backpack, we take your phone away, and your parents have to come to collect it and say, if he does this again, it's out for 2 weeks, and the next time, it's out for 1 month. And parents doesn't want their children to be at home for 1 month, so they take their phones away. We are not so telling things again and again. If you don't understand things at the first time, it's that you don't want to do it. It's okay. So the consequence is that you're not coming here because you're not doing the things following the rules. Okay? Stay on task and give your best effort. I'm here to help you. If you send me an email, I can answer you. If you don't ask me anything, I can't do anything for you. Clean up after yourself. Okay. Reteach. Reteach the brain work. You don't know the machine you're working with. You're working with your brains, you don't know your brains. You don't know how it works. Any basketball player, football player know how their body works. Okay, when something is aching, they know why and they know what they have to do. They have to stretch a little or whatever. And that's what we're doing here. You have to know how your brain works. If you don't know how your brain works, you're not getting out of your brain. You're working with a machine you don't know. It's like you're trying to use your cell phone without knowing how it works. You're going to get nothing out of it. Or ride a bicycle without having learned to do it. Or riding a car without the knowing to do it. So you have to know what you're using. This little video shows something about what we know about the brain. Brain is so big, it's so complex a machine that we don't know how it works. We know just a little, okay? So I'm going to show you just the little we know. The day we know more about your brain, my brain, we will do learning a different way, a much better way. But now I do with what I know about your brain. In 1,000 years, they will laugh at the way we are teaching them. I'm sure, because we're not doing things right. But what we know is the best that we can do.
What do we know about the inner workings of the human mind? Surely everything that humans do, from designing skyscrapers to composing symphonies, it's not the product of simple cellular interactions. And yet it might be. Because everything that humans do, or think, or feel, is a result of these basic units of brain structure, the neurons. The human brain contains more than 100 billion neurons. Just like a single ant could never build an anthill, A single neuron can't think or feel or remember. A neuron's power is a result of its connections to other neurons. Each neuron is connected to as many as 1,000 of its neighbors. These trillions of connections provide the playing field upon which the complex activity of the brain takes place. Each neuron can turn its neighbor on or off depending on the signal it sends. And the resulting stable patterns of neuron firing represents memories, and images, and thoughts. We don't yet understand the relationship between neural activity and mental experience. We don't know what the precise pattern of memory or an image or a thought looks like. We don't yet know how to read the cerebral code of the neuron, but progress is being made. We can now watch exactly how various stimuli and memories cause the firing of hundreds of neurons. Perhaps these techniques will allow us to work our way up from the activity of a few neurons to see the structure that emerges from the whole.
Shut up. Same thing again, your brains with like 300,000 million neurons in your brain. Just like a number like this. Of neurons. I don't get that you don't know how to balance an equation with so many neurons in your brain. Okay? And those neurons are connected, and the number of connections are kind of right. Okay? Maybe like something like this. Okay? So it's infinite the ways you can connect your neurons. You prefer to connect them to hear rap, it's okay? The way you learn is this. They told me how to say car. They say, may mean coche, may mean, I don't know, zanahoria. And the way the brain works is much like the muscles, okay? You do the same thing 10, 100 times, your muscles grow strong. And when I see this relationship, this path, this connection between those neurons becomes stronger, okay? And when somebody tells me this is not right, this connection just is deleted from my brain. So, in time, this solidifies and I have learned something, okay? And I never forget that. I never forget what I learned. I never forget what I have learned. Never. Morning. Let's learn it from my house. Okay? This is the way you learn.
Remember which finger I'm holding up so I can ask you next time in class. So if you do remember.
What?
Remember how much fingers I'm holding up right now.
Yeah.
So that I can ask you next time.
Yeah.
Are you going to remember to do this?
Yeah, I am going to remember. I will be here. I'm just. Numbers?
So, the only way to grow stronger is going to the gym again and again and making series of 3 series of 10 repetitions or whatever, not just one. That's what I'm trying to make you understand. This is more important than chemistry, more important than anything you're going to learn in your own life. And you know this. You know this because you know that repeating things again and again, you learn them. You don't do things, you forget. Okay? You don't have to be a PhD to understand that. So you know, and the only thing is to do the path. There's a phrase called Knowing the path, knowing that you have to work hard, it's not the same as walking the path. Work hard, okay? So many people, almost everybody knows the path, hard work. But only a few of them is able to do the path. If you do the path, if you walk the path, you'll be successful. If you don't, you say, I know the path, okay? You know, but you're doing nothing to get to the end of the path. So you're not learning, okay? So now, what we're going to do today, please, the phone in the backpack. Please, the phone in the backpack. Please, the phone in the backpack. Into the backpack, please. I live with a being that understands things at the first time she's told. Okay? Come here. She comes here. Go there. She goes there. First time. So what we're going to do today is first a fill-in, individual word, a fill-in, and then we're going to do teams, okay? Teams for group 5 balancing in groups. The first to turn in wins, then a second round, and then a Kahoot, okay? Doing my work. Okay.